And then the sky was blue, but the bug was green. And I said, hey, but he said buzz. And then...
And then I told the cloud you're fluffy, and it rained anyway.
Listen, nonstop engine. Give it a rest. My ears are literally bleeding with all this wisdom of yours.
Wisdom? You want more? Because I have a story about a nut that thought it was a coconut.
No, it's time for you to become a silent monk.
Or else this engine is getting a permanent muffler.
Okay, that's enough. Wait! Beak, sealed. Macaw, you were right. Silence really is delicious. Want a bite? Listen, Macaw. When your beak is busy, your soul is deaf. Silence isn't a cage, it's a power. It's the only way to make you a genius.
Now I am never speaking to you again. This beak is retired. Really?
Macaw! That monkey just robbed us! Why didn't you squawk?
Sorry, Luna. I'm a monk now. We just observe the universe.
Oh, Macaw, you're still angry with me, aren't you? My little monk.